Hey, what's up, guys? If you own a SC300 or SC400 and you're having starting troubles, there's a possibility it might just be your ECU. Okay, as you can see here, the bottom part of the seat is already out. It was just a matter of pushing it up from the front of the seat and pulling it off. Now the top part of the seat is held by these 3 bolts, one in each corner and one in the middle. Once you take off those 3 bolts, you can just push it up and it comes right out. Now the side panel, there's 3 clips holding it to the body of the car. Once you take those 3 clips off, you could just pull it right off. And there's your fuel pump ECU. And here's the connector that goes to the ECU. Where the green wire is where you will connect one of these things. You stick it right in there, and then you'll tape it up with some Gorilla Tape. You jam it in there just like that, so it connects the 2 wires together. I watch videos on YouTube where the guy cut the wires here and just connected the 2 wires. I don't suggest cutting wires, because when you do get an ECU that works, you want to be able to put everything back together the way it was. So it's best to just use a connector like this and then tape it up with some Gorilla Tape. Okay, so once you jam that up in there and it connects those 2 wires together and you wrap it up with some Gorilla Tape, it won't go anywhere, because for one, it's jammed in it and the Gorilla Tape is going to hold it together. And then to keep it secured, you just tape it up. You just tape it up like this. And you should be good to go. So that's basically it. I don't suggest cutting wires, and as far as putting a piece of wire to connect the 2 wires together, I don't think that's a good idea either, because you won't get a full connection. But if you put that connector in there, it jams in there perfectly well, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's start it up now. See, it starts right up. Basically, it's just a matter of a small connector to jump the ECU, and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, in this video, I'm not guaranteeing that if your car doesn't start, it's definitely a fuel pump ECU, because it could be other things. But in some cases, well, a lot of cases, that's what happens. When the fuel pump ECU goes bad, the car won't start. In this video, I showed you how to jump it, and hopefully you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.